Hey YouTube, I'm going to try and show you this song Cadillac by Forster the People. It's kind of like if you took a new wave group, synth group, and had them play a Parliament Funkadelic song, you might get this kind of song. It's kind of like the Cars meets Parliament Funkadelic. And that, I mean that as a compliment. I just wanna take you for a ride in my Cadillac. You ain't gonna Okay, that's basically the whole song. Playing D, you could play D major 7 if you want, and funk it up. To A minor, it's the next chord. It only stays on that for like 1 and 2, goes to a B flat major, and then it goes to a E flat major 7. Finishes on G minor. You just play a D major, A minor, major B flat, major E flat, minor G. So you could just play like regular major bar chords, or some of these you could play a major 7. But you just have to, keep in mind if you're going to be playing all the strings, which ones are major and minor. You just play it like with power chords. You don't have to worry about that. D, A, B flat, E flat, because power chords don't have major or minor notes in them. It's the third note that is either major or minor. So I like to put the E flat as a major 7. Okay, that's pretty much the whole song. And then there is one section where he's talking about like you be my queen. Like this move from the A major to the B flat, A minor to the B flat major is like a chromatic move. And there's that little section where he's singing, "You could be my queen," and they're just doing all kinds of chromatic lead-ins. Just half step lead-ins. That's all they're doing. You just slide into them from a half step, or some of them you might even walk up 3. The only one you really can't walk up into is the A minor, because it's only on there for like 1 beat. Boom. All right, and then here I don't hear them playing full chords really. I hear them playing like just the high notes. Okay, so I'll just show you what I played there. This is a D minor, but we're going to substitute it for the D major 7. And we go to the A minor. Then we're going to play a minor shape for the E major 7. This is your same shape as your D minor in your open position. But we're going to move it to the 6th fret, and we're going to substitute it for the E flat major 7. And then this is, you know, just a partial on your G minor, like this. You're just playing this part of it. So the frets are 10 for top 3, 5 top 3, D minor shape on the 6. At the 3, you're going to bar all four strings and play them. Okay, people said they want to see my fingers more, so it'll be like this. Okay, that's Forster the People, Cadillac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.